Welcome to Organic Chemistry 1. What is this course all about? Organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon and its compounds. Organic molecules are the building blocks of life. In this course, you will learn how to name organic molecules. You will also learn how they bond, how they react, and what mechanisms are involved in these reactions. You will be applying three-dimensional thinking to predict outcomes of these organic chemistry reactions. And you will be introduced to the instrumentation that is commonly used in organic chemistry to characterize the compounds. The format of the course is fully asynchronous and online. You will have access to your instructor. There will be hands-on and virtual labs. And the content is divided in 8 modules. There will be several graded assignments. There will be quizzes, adaptive learning assignments, discussions, assignments that are involving written materials, labs, and the final exam. Some of these assignments are going to be proctored and some of them will not be proctored. The instructional materials include the e-textbook by David Klein, the Wiley Plus platform, the Science Interactive Lab Kit, and journal articles. There will be hands-on labs that you will be conducting the experiments in your own house. They will come from Science Interactive. The lab kit will be shipped directly from Science Interactive to your home. These Science Interactive lab kits have most of the material that you need to conduct all of the experiments. However, there will be some small supplies that you will have to get on your own. What do I recommend for you to be successful in this course? Please stay on schedule. Don't fall behind. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 hours per module. Get a tutor if you struggle with the material. You have access to a tutor free of charge. Don't commit plagiarism, cheat, or academic dishonesty. And communicate with your instructor if you need special accommodations. Finally, read the syllabus. Good luck.